Hey students, a very good morning to all of you students. I'm Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2. And students, for today, this is the very first session. In this session, we are going to cover our very first subject, English. Okay, so you all have to be ready with your English book because as you know that we had covered till our unit D, right? So today I'm going to introduce you a new unit which is a mixed unit, right? Where you have to revise all the sound which we have covered till now in our tier 3. Okay, so first of all, you all have to be ready with your book, a sharp pencil in your hands, and then we will continue our today book. So please be ready. I'm waiting for some time for you. Okay, hurry up, please. So then I will write something over here. That is a recap which we have to do by today. Okay, so you have to tell me the sound which and related to a word. Okay, you all have to tell me the sound first, then you have to give me an example with the word related to that sound. That's your today task. You have to prepare a recording for that also. A E I E O E, and the fourth one is UE. Oops, I'm sorry. So I will erase it because I have to write E over here. Okay, E, U, E. Right. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to give me the sound first. That what is the sound it will give you, and then you have to give me an example of a word related to the same sound. Okay. So that's your today task. The very first one, I will tell you that how you have to give. Firstly, if I'm saying about the very first one, AE. So AE will give you sound A, right? The example is k a k cake, k a k cake. So in this way, you have to tell me the sound first, and related to that, you have to give me a word. Okay, so that's your today task, students. You all have to prepare this kind of format in your English notebook. आपने क्या करना है? You have to make a table like this, right? So first of all, आपने orally you have to tell your mama or anyone who is there with you. You have to tell sound first. Okay, that should be oral. But for that, you have to show the video clips like if somebody is asking you what is the sound of AE, so you will say A, right? Then you have to write the word over here, example, right? Write the word over here which is having the AE sound. So you will write cake, you will write take, right? In this way you have to write only words over here related to this sound. Okay, so the rest one you have to do by on. I'm not going to help you out because that is your revision session. Okay, so this you have to do at your home, and for that you have to share the videos or recording whatever is comfortable with you, right? आप oral work के लिए recording send कर सकते हो and capture a picture while writing the words related to the AE sound. Okay, so there will be at least two words of each sound. Clear? So that's your task. A simple task is the by which you will revise your sound as well as your words. Words recall भी हो जाएंगे आपके. Okay. Okay, students, so this is your worksheet, right? In this worksheet, we are going to revise our previous concept. Okay, जितने भी sounds I will introduce to you till now, we had covered lots of sounds, four sounds in this tier: the AE sound, IE sound, OE sound, and the last one UE sound, which we covered in the last session. Okay, so this unit is all about the recall all about the revision, or you can say the mixed exercise. Okay, इससे आप अपने concepts को, अपनी sounds को और strong करोगे. So there is nothing new in this unit. This is a revision, or you can say reconciliation worksheet, right? So before starting this worksheet, what you all have to do, you all have to mention the date on top. Plus, you all have to go outside, check the weather today, and circle the clip art. Then also circle the abbreviation. Whatever the day today, you are going to circle it first. Okay, first we do this task and then we will start with our work. So hurry up, students. Okay, students, as you see that in this worksheet, there is a scene given to you, right? एक picture है आपको, and in this picture there are lots of objects. This is your spade, this is your cube, rope, and what else? Mule. And who is on mule? Duke. And this is snake, gate. There is a cake, wow, and a rose, table, and chair. And what else? There is sand dunes, right? This is a picture of sand dunes. There are lots of dunes, right? So what we have to do? We have to see this picture carefully, observe it carefully, and there are lots of things which you all have to observe and recognize. तो आपने पिक्चर को ऑब्जर्व करना है अच्छे से, और इनमें जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स गिवन है उनको रिकॉग्नाइज करना है. ऑल द पिक्चर्स, ऑल द वर्ड्स यू ऑलरेडी कवर्ड इन द प्रीवियस सेशन. ये आपका रिविजन सेशन है, तो इसलिए आपको ये ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए गए हैं ताकि आप सबसे पहले इनको रिकॉग्नाइज करो और इनको रिवाइज करो. ठीक है, दैट इज फॉर प्रैक्टिस. नाउ इफ यू सी दिस दीज सेट्स, तो यहाँ पर भी आपको क्लिप आर्ट गिवन है और डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस गिवन है वर्ड्स के. ठीक है, देयर आर 3 वर्ड्स इन ईच सेट. हर एक सेट में आपको 3 वर्ड्स गिवन है. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको पिक्चर को केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व करना है, एंड यहाँ पर दिए गए वर्ड्स को तो रीड करोगे आप वन बाय वन. ओके, बट यू हैव टू सर्च फॉर द राइट वर्ड. जो भी राइट वर्ड होगा उसको आपको सर्कल करना है. ठीक है, दैट वर्ड आई विश कि आपको यहाँ पे यही करना है, बट यू हैव टू बी श्योर हाउ, बाय रीडिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन अबव. ओके, सो सर्कल द वर्ड फॉर ईच पिक्चर अबव. तो आपको उन वर्ड को सर्कल करना है दैट इज रिलेटेड टू दैट पिक्चर. ऑलराइट, सो देयर इज नथिंग which is new to us. So let's start now. Students, the very first one is done for us. What is this? This is gate. So you will see this is gate. What else? This is rope. Is it rope? No, this is not rope. So this one is the wrong one. The next word is take. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने 3 वर्ड्स जो गिवन है उनको जरूर रीड करना है टू इम्प्रूव योर रीडिंग स्किल्स. नाउ सी द पिक्चर. व्हाट इज दिस? I told you before, this is spade. So we will read all the words first. Kite, spade. If you say spade, so this is your AE sound, and this one is your IE sound. So this one is not the correct one. This is kite. Next देखो, cake. Is it cake? No. So spade, spade. So this one is the right one. So you all have to circle it. All right. Okay. Next picture. See, this is ice cube, but what we call it? Cube. Only cube. Right. So it's cube. So when you say cube, what is the first sound, students? It's k. So k sound come from C. This is D. So D will give you d sound. This one is not wrong. T will give you t sound, but we want k sound. So k sound is given by C only. So it's cube. The next one is duke. The next, it's tube, right? So in this way you have to complete this worksheet. Now come on the next part. So see this picture carefully. What is it? Rose. You like rose? Roses? Yes, we like roses because it will give us a beautiful smell, right? So this is rose. So rose. This one is snake. This one is rose. So this is the correct word which we have to circle. And the next one is mule. This is not right. Okay. Next picture you will see. This is cake. Who like cake? Everyone? Yes, we all like cake. So let's read the words. Rope. Next is hive. Hive. Next, cake. So the last one is right, which we have to circle. So now we will see the next picture, students. Let's see what is the next picture. Oh, this is snake. Let's see. Where is snake? So let's read the word. S-N-A-K. Snake. So the very first word is correct, which you have to circle. But that doesn't mean you have to left these two words. Read it. So it's P-L-A-T. Plate. Gate. So students, this is your today task which you all have to complete. Students, see, by doing these kind of worksheet, we will revise lots of the words. We will revise lots of vocab. Some are new to us, some are we already used it on daily lives, right? So you all have to complete this worksheet by today, and on time you have to keep on sharing your work with me, right? So please complete this worksheet. I'm giving you some time. Okay, students, have a good day.